Hi everyone, I'm Kelly from Hong Kong Free Press. I'm currently reporting from the district court in Wan Chai. Today, we are about 1.5 hours away from an expected verdict in a high-profile sedition case involving two former top editors of defunct online media Stand News. The journalists Patrick Lam and Chong Pui Kun were arrested in December 2021 and they stood trial in 2022. So it's been almost 2 years since the trial began and more than 2 years since they were first arrested and saw their newsroom raided by National Security Police. They are also charged alongside the parent company of Stand News, Best Pencil Limited. They are accused of publishing seditious materials. At the center of the case are 17 articles published by Stand News, and the trial was adjourned for several times, and the verdict was also adjourned for a number of times because there's still an ongoing appeal that is set to take place at the High Court concerning the sedition law, which has already been repealed because of the Safeguarding National Security Ordinance passed in March, also known as Article 23, because Article 23 already covers sedition, and therefore the colonial era law has been repealed. In front of me, sorry for the interruption. So again, we are currently outside Wan Chai District Court. Today, we're expecting a verdict in the high-profile sedition case involving two former editors of online media Stand News, which closed down after it was raided by the National Security Police in December 2021. While we expect a verdict to be handed down today, there is also a chance that there may not be a verdict because the verdict for the Stand News case has been adjourned a number of times pending an appeal concerning the sedition law. That appeal involves another activist, Tam Tak Chi, who was the first person convicted under the colonial era law since the handover in 1997. Hong Kong has repealed the sedition law after the passage of Article 23 in March because the new homegrown security law already covers sedition offenses. Article 23 raised the maximum penalty of sedition offenses from 2 years of imprisonment to 7 years. But in the Stanu case, because they were charged under the colonial era sedition law, so the maximum sentence that Chung and Lam could face would be up to 2 years in prison rather than 7. It is still rather quiet outside, and we don't see police officers patrolling. Right now, it's mostly journalists who are waiting outside the court because one of the defendants, Patrick Lam, has yet to arrive. Dozens of people have lined up for tickets into the public gallery of the courtroom, but they are lining up inside the courthouse where photography is not allowed, so we cannot show the situation inside. But standing in line are some former staff members of Stan News. The verdict hearing is set to take place at 2:30, so a little more than an hour from now. But many journalists and media organizations have been waiting at the courthouse for hours. Some journalists arrived as early as 7 a.m. this morning to secure a seat in the main courtroom. That's all from us from Ranchai. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more updates on our social media and our website. Thanks for watching.